Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to categorize expenses in QuickBooks. QuickBooks allows you to create and manage expense categories through the chart of accounts, where every type of expense can be assigned to a specific account. So firstly, log into your QuickBooks online account using your credentials. From the left-hand menu, click on Accounting and then select Chart of Accounts. Click the New button to add the new account category. Select the appropriate type for your category, such as Expenses, Other Expenses. This determines how QuickBooks will classify the transaction in reports. Fill in the required information including name, description, and detail type of expense category. Click Save and Close to confirm and create the new expense category. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.